Hi, I'm Chris with Maxxair, an Airxcel brand. Today I'm going to show you what is in the box when you buy either the Maxxfan or the Maxxfan Plus. The reason I want to show you this is so that when you open the box to do your installation, you're confident that you have everything you need and everything was included in the box. So let's take a look. I've pulled everything out of the box and laid them out of the table so we can see what's included. First of all, you'll get your garnish ring. This is going to be cut to fit whatever the thickness of your roof is, and there's good instructions on how to do that. The other is, of course, the instruction manual, the fan itself, and then a fastener packet. You're going to get these screws, and these are used to screw in the vent all the way around the perimeter of the exterior. These screws, which you can recognize because they have white caps, they are going to be the interior screws for this piece. And then we do have some quick connectors that we recommend you use when you're hooking in your 12 volt. All right, thank you for watching. That's what's in the box. There are a few components you'll need to do a successful install that are not provided, and those are Dicor self-leveling lap seal and a butyl product, either Dicor butyl tape or the new gunnable butyl from Dicor that comes in a tube, and you can really easily use a caulk gun to put that in. So good luck on your install, enjoy your fan, thanks for watching, and have a great time out in the great outdoors.